Hello, it's your girl Chloe back with another video. But today I will be showing you how to transform your oily, greasy, gross, days-old hair and curl it into cute beach waves that look like you just washed your hair. So let's just get right into it. So this is my slept-in hair. I haven't even brushed it yet. Just wanted to show you it in its prime disgustingness. So I have curled it, I have put it up in a ponytail, I have done a half bun. It's been through it for sure. So some people are like, wow, and some people are grossed out when I say this, but I wash my hair. This is wow, it's kind of gross. Every 5 to 7 days. So that's just how it is. I have hard hair, it's difficult, so I have to blow it out once a week, or style it, and it takes a while, so then I just leave it for the week. But obviously oils do happen. I'm not magic. It gets gross. So the number one thing, best friend, is dry shampoo. So this one, Batiste, I don't know how to say it. It's so good. I've tried so many dry shampoos, and this is the winner. This is the one that's brown. So it still makes your hair kind of white. I mean, you have to brush it out and let it sit and stuff, but it is better than just regular dry shampoo. And I like the smell. It's not too strong, but it's good. You know, oils happens. But yeah, so here is the situation right now. I mean, it's not that bad. It's kind of gross, but we're gonna fix it. I'm currently on day 6 of not washing my hair. Sorry, gotta be honest. But so I'm gonna be using that. That's the prime product. I'll be using some other products that are more optional. Dry shampoo is not optional. And then I'm also using this curler. It's by Conair. It's You Curl. That's what it's called. I've had this for so long. I honestly don't even know how big of a curler this is. I will try to Google it and see if it's still available. I'll put something over here somewhere, and how big this is. But yeah, it's a thicker to thinner wand, and I put it on 360 degrees because we're not trying to fry our hair. So I section out my hair because I have thick hair, so I can't just not section it. If I do that, I mean, I can do it, but it doesn't look very good. So we're going to section off. I just do about that much for that layer, and I dry shampoo and heat protectant each section. So first I'm gonna take the dry shampoo, just right on my roots, because I don't put it all up in my hair, because just my roots is what gets oily. And I'm using the Tresemme heat protectant spray. I honestly don't really know if this helps or not, but I just chopped off all of my hair, so I'm trying to not kill it again. So, you know, we don't need that. So then I just brush through the dry shampoo, because sometimes if you don't do that, it leaves that white residue, which we don't want that. So then I just take the barrel. I take kind of thick sections just because I don't have time to be doing super small sections every morning. So do that, and I leave a good chunk out. I like the more messy look, especially when my hair is more dirty, because I feel it just vibes better. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold that and release, and there it is. And we'll fix it so I don't look like Shirley Temple, but we're gonna get there. So yeah, we're just gonna roll with that for all of my head. I can't really see, but I feel most people know what I'm doing. you're just literally wrapping the hair around the barrel. And I start at the root. I'm like pretty high up there, so I know, sorry, you can't really see that, but yeah, so I like get up there. Hopefully you can see that better. If not, I'm sorry. Just because since my hair is shorter, if I don't do it at the root, then it doesn't even like look curled, especially if I'm having the bottom pieces straight. Okay. So that section looks good. So then I hairspray the section just because, you know, we want this to stay. And I do spray it when there's still like the tight curls. So we're just gonna keep doing that over and over. So, don't think you wanna watch me doing this for like 20 minutes, but actually, okay, so it's 1 o'clock right now. So let's see how long this takes me. I'm also talking a lot, so, oh, let's see. So yeah, as you can see, it's like a full bun and I have like half my hair down. So, you know, it's kind of difficult, but it's okay. So this is my next section. You can see the straight parts. So again, let's just go over this. So roots. Sorry, I heard a noise. My parents have been telling me that there's been like sus people in our neighborhood recently and not trying to get freaking kidnapped, so vigilant. Ooh. God. New setting spray. So I'm gonna brush, because even though I brush it, like when I do my sections, it gets all knotted. And I also need to leave in like 15 minutes and I'm not 100% ready, so sorry. Okay, so again, we are at the root here, holding, hold. Okay, so some of my hair still has some of the curls from earlier, like days prior, but you know, it's obviously not good enough to like go out and wild and out in, so. I also feel like the top layer is the one that matters the most, so like anytime I'm in a rush, I just try to focus on like that top layer. Also, I always try to spritz like right there, so let's do that because like people can see the crown of your head. But yeah, so I'm just gonna give it like a little shakester. My head hurts because I had my hair in a ponytail yesterday. Okay. I should have like 2 more sections left. I forgot to hairspray my last section. You know, it's fine, we'll get there. This is not a science. We're trying our best. I also feel like I forget to like spray heat protectant on like some sides, and it's okay though, you know? I'm trying. Okay, now I'm gonna stop talking so I can speed it up. Okay, so now we are on the final section, which this one is like the most important to me because it's just like around my face and you know, we just like need that to look good. So how I do top section. So we will brush it out, obviously. Let's brush it. Okay. So then I like to brush it back so that I can fix my part. So sometimes I do a middle part, sometimes I do like a side sweep part. For this, hun, go in. Like here, I do like to hear. You know, we just really gotta like let it happen. So then I brush this side, and I purposely brush one side and then the next so that the shampoo can sit. So. So then I just like to brush my hair through and get all the dry shampoo through, because sometimes it will like stay white and then you've curled your hair and you ruin all of your curls trying to get the whiteness out. So don't do that. And this part is like the most dead part of my hair because I had a V cut and then bleached my hair to do it purple, and then it like killed the whole thing. So the front was like really short, so I didn't really cut much off of that when I did my chop because I didn't want to have like freaking soccer mom hair, you know? You feel? So yeah. Okay, so that looks good to me. So now we're just gonna like go in, and so sometimes when I lift I see oil in there, so if you see that, definitely give that a spritz. So it depends on like where you get oily too. Some people get more oily in the back of their head, so just focus on where you get oily basically. Speed it up. And then just the same steps. I also like to switch up the thickness of my sections. One, because I'm too lazy to do the exact same section size, and two, I feel like it just looks better when you do that. It doesn't look as formed. I just realized I don't have lipstick on for this entire video. Rip. You know, it's fine. We're here for the curls. She's curled. So then I like to take a mirror and look at the back of my hair because, you know, sometimes it doesn't look very good. Oh! Hey. Looks pretty good. Okay, so sometimes the back pieces, like, you'll miss a few and those will be straight, so just make sure, like, look at the back of your head. But so yeah, hopefully you can see the whole back. Oh, yes, you can. Okay, so that's how that looks. Love that. Okay, so now we've been spritz, we've been sprayed, we've been curled, we've been prepped, we've been degreased. Yes, but now we need to calm this because this is just like a whole lot. So what I like to do, I don't know where my spray is. Got it. So I like to spray this Kristinest Beach Wave Spray Soft Shine. It says it's for all hair types, non-drying, strand softening, shine enhancing, beach inspired waves. So this is kind of like a texturizing spray. So it's thundering. Oh, love that. But so it's like kind of like texturizing spray, I guess. It creates like nice beach waves for you, and it also smells super good because it's like we said, the oils. So I just put this. Also, don't get this in your roots because it'll fuck your life up and make it all super oily. And also don't use like too much of this because a little goes a long way. So once that's there, now this is very precise, so like watch carefully. What you're gonna do is just like wash your hair. So just do like a little side to side, a little I've been here all night. If you know, you know. Ariana Grande stands. Okay. So, and if your hair is like still super curls, you can take a comb, a brush, like this type of brush and brush through it, and that will like super wave the hair depending on what you like. So yeah, sometimes I have to do that to like the front pieces, but today they're pretty good. So she's ready. So that's really all there is to this. Super, I feel like it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it, and it's not like I don't look super crazy anymore, so that's good. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.